franchise player from the Brooklyn Himalaya with the flavor you would turn down for your favorite neighbor. I hit like bricks, I smash MCs to pieces like adolescents and bellies of bees. It's the nomadic. I flow slow on the microphone, a hash addict. Track. I cool for Nick sometime like Shelly Thunder. I'm never under pressure, so I'm making niggas wonder who the fuck I think I am. Not the man, but I vouch for 7 in the clip, not a slouch. When they come through, I parlay boom similar to the shit. I'ma bust off the part 2.
So this would be considered a history of family violence?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, could you please explain how each of these episodes have occurred?
Okay, so the first time it happened, I was at a party and my friend showed me this new dance move and they kind of looked like they were gonna punch me. So I had an episode, but I just got some fresh air and I thought it was nothing. Cool dance moves!
You know, I learned this new dance move from this guy.
Yeah?
It goes a little something like this.
I can't feel my hands.
Okay, Becca? Are you okay?
Is it hot in here?
Do you want to sit down?
No, it's good. Are you okay?
Becca, do you want to sit down?
What's going on with this girl?
I need some fresh air, guys.
Let's go.
Party pooper. Alright.
The next time I was with some friends and someone made a joke and they said they were gonna physically harm me in some way and it occurred again.
I want to go with women in a yoga commercial.
I'm probably gonna go with the Holy Bible.
I'm thinking Hot Pockets.
I think my ex-wife. I got the Kool-Aid Man.
The Kool-Aid Man? I hate the Kool-Aid Man.
How can you hate the Kool-Aid Man, Becca? I'm gonna beat you up.
Why would you say that?
What?
It's really hot in here, isn't it?
I look like Sid? Huh? I look like Gavin? Huh?
I can't really feel my hands.
I'll go get some water.
Yeah, pass them off. Hey, bro, are you kidding me? Did you just bump into me, causing me to inevitably drop my alcohol? Are you joking me right now?
Again?
You're joking me right now.
From that day on, Becca had full control over her emotional state.
How about I look like none of them? I look like Andy.